Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's a little bit cold. The heater is going and what are we gonna do today? This came in the mail a week ago. Finally, yay! We're gonna do installation of the Mosko Moto backcountry 35 and a 25. So we're gonna complete my luggage. Yay! Getting ready for next season. Let's do it. Let me show you guys what came in the box. This, of course, this is the back plates. That's what we're gonna be installing on the racks. We got some important stuff over here, like stickers. Yay! A lot of stickers. Nice stickers. Important. And of course the hardware here. Some blue brackets, some bolts, back plates. And that will be it. Some people don't like those blue brackets, but I actually like them because they fit the color of the bike perfectly. Guys, let's do it. Let's get the bike out and let's install those backcountry panniers. Panniers, not panniers. Soft luggage. Yeah. Let's get to it. So this is what we're gonna be using for installation. We got 4 brackets, 8 bolts, and the tools. And they're gonna go right over here. Let's do it. Okay, let's get the lights over here. There you go. So this is how it's gonna look like with the Mosko logo towards here. I'm gonna put the brackets in the back. It's really nothing to it. A baby can do it. Talking about the baby, I think my help is coming. Yes, my help is coming. So we've got 1 bracket here. Oh, and the light is coming too. Everything is coming. Hello, my little helper. You're gonna help me, huh? You're gonna help Tata? Oh? Where is the duck? Where is Quack Quack? It's outside? Okay. See, my little helper is here. But yeah, just I'm gonna make this in a much faster pace on a video. Okay, this is the middle of the rack, but I don't know if we're gonna keep it in the middle. We might actually move it a little bit this way, a little bit that way. Not too much to the back, but maybe to the front. Let's see how everything is gonna look like with the luggage on and how the weight is gonna be distributed. It's supposed to be actually over the real axle, like this. But I guess we will see in a bit. I'm gonna just tie this gently so I can slide the 25-liter bag on. Oh yeah, my little one is making fun up there. Yeah, it's laughing at Tata. Yes. Okay. Just a gentle touch. I don't want to scratch the rocks if I don't have to. This is Yeah, the axle is right here. It's almost above the axle. Let's see. That's how she sits. Okay, so that's how it looks like right now over here. I think it's positioned okay right now because my backcountry 40 goes over here, so I can open that up and I can open this. But the way to test it is to get on a bike. So this is my standing position and this is my sitting position. Nothing is on the way. But of course, there is always a ride with a passenger. So we gotta see if the passenger can comfortably sit on a bike. And that's the thing right here. Yeah. There you go. I can be a passenger. Yeah. Maybe not as comfortably. Maybe it has to go back just a little bit. Again, it's mostly only me riding, but just in case, I can have the... Oh, looks beautiful. Where is the release? So this is the release strap over here. Should just go like this, yeah? Oh yeah, she's still not brand new. Up. And, yeah, it's gonna wear in a little. So I think we're gonna keep it right in this spot right here. Just make it lower, yeah, because I just pull it up. Yeah, not in the middle, maybe just a bit. Oh, like this. That will be the idea, I think, for me. It's still above the axle. I give a little bit more room for the passenger peg over here. Okay, let's get this thing tied up. Yes, Mama and Tata are here, yes. There you go. Now we can put it back again. Make a little click. And she sits. Nice. My girl becomes a little fat. I don't like fat girls, okay? Yeah, my wife is wiggling the finger, huh? And the release. There you go. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this out so I can put the other one at the same distance. I'm gonna measure the distance. Let's go to the other side. And here we are on the other side of the bike. And we're gonna do totally the same thing. I don't know if you guys want to watch it or not, but it's all the same. sits on the bottom. See how far we are over here. We're gonna use a measuring tape. How's that? For being professional. There you go. That's how she sits up there. And make sure again, make sure. I don't like them to be a little bit off, if anything. I don't think it makes it any different, but a millimeter here, a millimeter there. Yeah, right there. Okay, so all is left is just to tie them up. So Mosko provide two tools for it, two little wrenches, but I use my own. Anyways, this is a special one. This is a little kind of like a star. So remember to put the one that they provide with your toolkit, just in case it comes loose. You guys can tie it up on the trail. But she's holding. Okay, let's put it back. That's garbage. Okay, let's put the 35 on this side. Where is the locking? The locking is in the back over here. Clicked. Nice. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna take this outside with the luggage and show you guys how it looks like. So this is how she looks like with the Mosko Moto luggage. Backcountry on the left, on a 35 on the left, and then 25 on the right. And there's one more thing left to do. There you go. I just see I lost my sticker from State Park by Mount Washington. There you go. The sticker here. It's okay. Guys, thanks for watching this little installation video of Mosko Motos. Be good, ride safe. Peace, and I see you later.